In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export pages as a PDF in Notion. If you're looking to transform your Notion pages into a shareable, printable PDF format, this guide is definitely for you. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you can easily export your Notion pages without any hassle. First, you'll want to navigate to the page in Notion that you intend to export. Once you're there, take a look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small icon consisting of 3 dots, commonly known as the More Options menu or Ellipsis menu. Click on this, and it'll expand a drop-down menu with several options you can choose from. From this drop-down menu, your next step is to select Export. Now, Export is the magical option that helps you take your Notion page's content beyond Notion itself. When you click this, Notion will present you with a few options for exporting your data. The next step is crucial. You'll be prompted with choices for how you want to format your exported data. You'll see Markdown and CSV as one of your options. While it might sound like a couple of languages your computer uses, don't worry about those right now. Instead, just click on Markdown and CSV to proceed to the formatting options where you'll find our target format, PDF. Right after selecting Markdown and CSV, it's time to focus on selecting the PDF option. It should appear as an option within that same list. Go ahead and click on PDF, and this will ensure that Notion prepares your page in a neat, printable PDF format. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Click on Export one more time. By selecting Export, after choosing the PDF format, assures that Notion begins processing your page as a PDF file. Depending on your page's size and complexity, this might take a moment, so be patient while it completes. Once the export is complete, Notion saves the PDF file directly to your default download location on your device. Make sure to note where your downloads are typically saved so you can easily find the PDF file and share or print it as needed. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully exported your Notion page as a PDF, making it easier to distribute, present, or keep for record keeping. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you in becoming a Notion pro. Don't forget